Okay, when you said you were going to make me your bitch, this is totally not what I had in mind.
Dave,
I mean, I'm a Strider. No vanilla shit here, but dog stuff? Seriously? What are you going to make me do? Bark and piss on the floor?
Dave, stop rambling and put the dog ears on.
Fine.
Aw, you look so cute.
Could you at least get off the chair and on the floor with me?
No, you promise. Now off come the clothes.
Finally!
Dave, do doggies talk?
No.
Then neither can you. Nuh-uh, dogs can't take off clothes. Now, put your paws in the air so I can get that shirt off of you. You're just so adorable.
Oh.
Good boy.